Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us today as we work on our next project. We're going to show you how we created this gorgeous vintage industrial style merchant chest. Hi guys, I'm Laura from Charity Chalks Interiors. Today I'm going to be giving this chest of drawers a vintage industrial apothecary style makeover. Okay, so to begin with, I need to remove all of the remaining handles, and then I'll be giving it a real good clean with my Dixie Belle White Lightning cleaner, which I have mixed with some water into a spray bottle, and then I'll be using a microfiber cloth. I'll give it a real good clean, rinse it off with some water, and then I'll begin sanding. Now I am applying Dixie mud with a spatula to fill in all of the previous handle holes. Now I want lots of texture on this piece, so for my base coat I am mixing sea spray with my flamingo paint to create a really nice thick batter-like consistency. Now, using an old brush, I am stippling on the thick paint batter mix to create lots of peaks and texture in the base coat. Now, using an old brush, I am stippling on the thick paint batter mix to create lots of peaks and texture in the base coat. I am now using Hly Guacamole as the main colour for this piece. I am applying it all over, in some areas thinner than others, as I want it to look naturally distressed. So now we are on the second coat. I am applying the paint thickly where I want full coverage, but only putting thin layers on where I want the base coat to peek through for a worn, vintage look. I am now going to distress all over using a sanding block to expose more of the base colours from underneath. I will now seal all over for protection using clear Bestang wax. I apply this with my La Petite brush, and then I will remove any excess with a rag. I am also adding some grunge grey in certain areas to add age and depth to the piece. Now, to really add some extra grunge to this piece, I am using a small makeup brush and feathering in some bronze gilding wax around the edges of the drawers. I will now drill some new handle holes and fit them to each drawer. The piece is now finished and ready to accessorise. Can you see all that lovely texture and those colours peeking through from underneath? I think it looks fabulous. Do you? Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope this has given you some inspiration for your next project. If you'd like to see more of our work, you can follow along on all of our social media platforms at Cherubs Chalks Interiors. And of course, you can also subscribe here on our YouTube channel for more videos like this in the future. Thanks and have a great day.